I am Aditya Ogar. I am from Karnataka Balkote and I am studying in Basaveshwara International Public School. I am 6th standard. So I plan to make one project. That project is CFC, less and Hifi refrigerator. First I'll explain about CFC. The CFC gas will harm the ozone layer. The CFC gas will mix in atmosphere and it make holes in ozone layer. You know how much important the ozone layer is. If the ozone layer is completely destroyed, so the UV rays of suns will automatically directly come to our earth's crust and earth's crust will be burnt. So the UV rays will burn our skin also. How much important is our skin is you also know. So we are going to make this CFC-less refrigerator. So in replace of CFC gas, we are going to put one formula. That I got this formula from my science teacher, Deepa Joshi ma'am. I am thankful to them. So this is that photo of formula. So our ma'am wrote HCF's CF3 CH2F hydrochlorocarbon HCIFCs are hydrochlorofluorocarbon. So in that formula we should not have the chloro. Chloro means chlorine. Chlorine is the main gas which harms the ozone layer. So our ma'am wrote lastly they wrote CF3C bracket oxygen atom bracket 2 O4. So I think this is the formula and ma'am told also this is the formula. That was the formula. And now I will explain about automatic refrigerator. So in this automatic refrigerator we will put one feature. That feature is the door of refrigerator will automatically open when we come in front of refrigerator from the distance of 10 centimeter. If we stand in the distance of 10 centimeter, the door should automatically open. To open that to open the door of that, we are going to put the ultrasonic sensor. So that will sense and the door will be automatically opened. So in our project still that our ultrasonic sensor is not fixed, but we will fix. We are planning to fix that. So this is a feature. So why this feature came in my mind, I will tell you. One day I was opening the fridge and automatically that fridge got stuck, like jammed. So I pulled and pulled, it opened, but my hand twisted here. So I thought to make that automatic door. Thank you. This was my project. In our refrigerator, only this feature is not there. One more feature is there. That is automatic door. So our refrigerator name is only CFC less and Hifi refrigerator. That in that Hifi feature, we are going to add one feature. That feature is only automatic door. When we come front of the refrigerator, the door should automatically open without any touchings. So we are going to put that by using ultrasonic sensor. So the when ultrasonic sensor can sense it from 10 centimeter or 15 centimeter from 15 centimeter or 10 centimeter distance. So it will help for the old citizens like grandfather, grandmother. So it has happened to me. One thing is, it has happened to me. One day I was opening the fridge, so it was stuck there only. So I tried and I pulled like this. My hand twisted. So I planned why I can do like this. And we are going to explain about now CFC-less refrigerator. And this is our model. So I am going to off this light now because some explanation is there. So we are going to learn about this model, and now we will learn about this gas. And this red light indicates the CFC gas, sun. So the UV rays of sun will come to our earth, and the UV rays will burn our earth.